126, 128. Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Project Manager and you are watching Automania once again, and I am back with the RC200 yet one more time to test the top speed of this motorcycle. So let's not waste any time and get started. We are in 101, 115, 17. 126, 128. That felt nice. That really felt nice, guys. 200cc motorcycle, 141, brand new motorcycle. That might increase, after first servicing. So I'll just slow it down a bit and let me know, guys, what you feel about this motorcycle. Is it good enough? And what do you think about the top speed? Overall, it really feels nice to push. It really feels nice to push the motorcycle. Guys, let me know how did you like this short review and this short, top speed run of the KTM RC 200 2022 edition. If you like what we do, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Automania, guys. Well, thank you for all the support, all the love you have been giving me throughout my channel, channel journey. I can't thank you guys more enough. And thank you once again for all your love, all your support. And we are growing very slowly, but we are growing. That's the best point. So it's time to wrap up this episode. Short top speed run of the RC 200. Let me know in the comment section down below how did you like the short review and the short top speed. So I liked it. I enjoyed it. It's time to cool down the motorcycle a bit. I'm cruising right now. So I'll wrap up this episode. I will see you in some other episode with some automotive or technical content. Till then, as I always say, wear helmets when you're riding, wear your seatbelts while driving, and never drink and drive. This is Project Manager. You are watching Automania. Signing off. Ta-da!